This is my dye that I use for the coffee filters. I just get them either at Walmart or the 99-cent store and places like that, and then I dye them, and I'm going to show you how to dye them right now. Okay, this, I'm just gonna keep it in the fuchsia for a minute because I'm gonna do one side fuchsia. Sorry, this is not the best video, but it gives you a good idea of, you know, how easy it is to dye coffee filters. Because that's the ones I just did and I pulled out and I, drained them. But I want them now to have all three colors mixed in. You can wash them with cold water. I'm not, because I want most of the colors to stay in like this, and I'm gonna pop them in. This is what it looks like when you just leave it in the dye. This one I did half this color and half the, corally orangish color. Then this one was yellow, some of the orange, and fuchsia. Now I put them together. It's fine for me if they're together when I put them in the dryer because they don't really bleed color because they're not really wet anymore. But if you don't want any bleeding, you'll put one in the dryer each time. And I'm gonna probably turn it on for just 3 to 5 minutes, but I'm gonna check it probably every 2 minutes. The colors of these, they're so pretty. They're like fuchsia and coral and like a butter yellow. How they are coming out, and they're really pretty. So I will either use them as flowers like rolled roses, or I'll make big peony flowers, or I'm not sure what I would call these flowers, but just big flowers with these and layer the colors. But that is how you dye coffee filters.